I am Joan Mitei, a trainee at Kenya School of TVET from the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. Today, we are going to discuss about the probability. Let's introduce what is probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with calculating the likelihood of events occurring. It ranges from 0, that is impossible, to 1, that is certain, with values in between representing different levels of certainty about an event. Let's move to our next topic. Let's discuss the fundamentals concepts in probability. 1, we have the experiment. This is the procedure or process that produces an outcome. For example, flipping a coin or rolling a die. The second fundamental concept of probability, we have the sample space. This is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. And then the last fundamental concept in probability is the event. This is the specific outcome or combination of outcomes from the sample space. Let's move to our next topic. Let's discuss the basic probability formula. The probability that is noted by P and the outcomes or the events P of an event occurring is calculated as P probability denoted by E equals to the number of favorable outcomes. The total number of possible outcomes equals to fraction into the number of favorable outcomes multiplied by the text, that is the total number of possible outcomes. Then the number of favorable outcomes, where the favorable outcomes are the outcomes that match this event. The total number of possible outcomes is the total size of the sample space. Let's move to our next topic. The types of probability. 1, we have the experimental probability that is based on actual experiments or trials. It is the ratio of the number of times an event occurs to the total number of trials. Theoretically, probability is based on reasoning and assumption of equally likely outcomes. Then you have the conditional probability. The probability of an event happening given that another event has already occurred. The last discussion for today is the common probability rules. The first rule is the additional rule, that is for mutual exclusive events that cannot happen at the same time. Then we have the multiplication rule for independent event, where the event occurrence of one doesn't affect the other. Then the last common probability rule is complementary events, the probability of an event not occurring. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy my lesson. See you next time.